I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my stand and go out of this world.
These traditional boats, or penambang, have been around since before the days of Raja Brooke and before Malaysia was formed. Kuching villagers would use the penambang to go to work, school, or the city center to cross Sarawak River.
Meluncur perahu tambangan saya menuju tepi seberang. Putih kuning perak berkilau warna bergerak. Itu penambang negeri Sarawak.
As time passed, the fare have also increased to 30 cents for child and 50 cents for adults. Then, the idea to build pedestrian bridge was mooted in 2013 by His Excellency the Governor of Sarawak, Tun Abdul Taib Mahmud, when he was still the Chief Minister of Sarawak. Prior to its construction, the bridge sparked controversy with the traditional boat owner, expressing worry that the bridge would disrupt the daily commuter ridership. The affected one are those who ply Kuching Waterfront Jetty to Pangkalan Sapi Jetty. The bridge officially opened on 11 November 2017.
Saksikan cobaan jalan drone dengan flying drone yang diterbangkan dari Korea. Teknologi terbaru seakan-akan in the power show.
The grandest super launching before the official opening of Darul Hana Bridge. For you, Sarawak, the pride of the people of Sarawak.
Satunya ikon yang baru dilancarkan.
Terpegun hingga tidak terkata-kata dengan keindahan sambutan untuk Darul Hana.
Malam yang penuh bilang gemilang, dewan dan juga zaki. Malam kebanggaan Sarawak. Satu lagi sejarah tercipta pada malam ini. Tepat pada 11 malam, 11 malam, 11 November 2017.
His Excellency the Governor of Sarawak, Tun Abdul Taib Mahmud, announced that the new bridge across Sarawak River will be called as Darul Hana Bridge, which it means a place of peace. Wait, what? Darul Hana Bridge? Okay. In the historical perspective, back in 1599 to 1641, when Sarawak was ruled by Sultan Tengah, Prince of Brunei, known as Pangiran, Sultan Ibrahim Ali Omar Shah, the first and the last Sultan of Sarawak, he had named the state as Sarawak Darul Hana. Beside the official name, locals still refer Darul Hana Bridge as either Waterfront Bridge or Golden Bridge. It is not a straight bridge. This unique 335-meter S-shaped pedestrian bridge is supported by two cables that are 45 meters high from two 48 degrees outward angle steel towers topped with stylish hornbills, denoting the emblem of Sarawak. There are two resting places on the bridge, inviting the pedestrians to enjoy a spectacular panoramic view over the river. People of Kuching and tourists can now travel on foot from Kuching City to the building of the All State Legislative Assembly, Astana, the Governor official residence, Botanic Garden, Orchid Garden, the iconic Fort Margherita, and the current State Legislative Assembly complex. At night, the bridge is transformed with a colorful light show, giving a great photo opportunity. If you are in Kuching, you shouldn't and probably even can't miss this lovely bridge spanning over the river. It's a lovely place to look over the city and enjoy the sunset. Beside everything, penambang is still preferred by the people living along the river, especially from Kampung Sungai Bedil, Kampung Sinjan and Kampung Boyan Jetty, as it is cheaper and faster compared to land transportation. Apart from that, their services are still relevant as it is one of the tourist attractions in Kuching. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.